Hi, I'm Shikha Gupta, CEO of Thridify. In this video, I will be explaining step by step how to add a new product in the Thridify admin panel and show that product in your e-commerce store. The process is very simple. I have the Thridify demo store admin already opened on my screen. This store is built with WordPress WooCommerce plugin and uses a Thridify WooCommerce plugin for enabling 3D and AR on the website. Now we will add a 3D model of this pot in the Thridify admin panel, and but before doing that I will note down the product ID of this pot, which is 1206. Now let's move to the Thridify admin panel. I I will click on add new product. Step 1, add the product name, the product ID. Step 2, click on the upload the 3D model. Ensure that the model that you're uploading is a GLB file, because that is the file that is compatible for rendering 3D models on the web. Click customize. And voila, the product is added successfully. Now let's see if it shows in our e-commerce store. Let's go to the site. So I will click on the product. I will click on this blue icon, and yes, we can see the 3D product. I can rotate it from all the angles and view it. Check out the next video to see how to add customization options on the 3D models for your customers. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.